are more than welcome to drop an animal fact. Echa, were you here yesterday when I found out everybody but me knows everything about dinosaurs? Midwest, but Midwest isn't a biome. Would it be called forest? I assume it would be like a temperate forest? Thinking so hard about this. What is Germany? Flat. Flat and boring. I guess it's probably also a temperate forest. Venomous animal fact. The inland taipan snake is considered the most venomous snake on Earth, in spite of the fact there are no confirmed cases of a person being killed by the snake. In fact, everyone who has bitten by one has survived. What? What on earth? Is that true? I don't like that it's called the taipan snake. Where is it from? Taiwan? Is it from Taiwan? Taiwan loves naming things Thai something. I'm gonna be very scared by this. Paste and search. Where are you? Is it Australian? Oh no. Australian? RIP. I'm in Chicago, it's Midwest, but that's the name of the area. The Great Trans-American Steppe. Oh, that's probably what it's called, isn't it? It's like the steppe that's in Central Asia. Alright, I get it. We're learning geography. We're not learning geography, we're decrypting the geography of the United States. Educate what biome means? I mean like the natural landscape, I guess. Like desert. Desert, tundra are biomes. Swamp. Swampland. Although I don't think much could be considered like swampland. I guess Florida would be considered a swampland.